With Bitcoin outpacing the price action in Shiba Inu Coin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, the rest of the board, it's obvious that everybody's looking to that Bitcoin spot ETF, and it will have an overall effect on the price of Shiba Inu Coin as well. Now, I'm going to be talking about a couple things in this video. Yes, we're going to go over the technicals for Shiba Inu Coin, but I want to point out rising volume, despite everything going on with the price action right now, and what that means for Shiba Inu Coin. But it's not just all fun and games. It's not everybody solely looking to that Bitcoin ETF that is going to cause this bull market rally to begin. We've got the Attorney General in New York here going over some... Guys, I don't understand why they want to come down on cryptocurrency so hard, but they're not letting up. We're not through this winter yet. We've still got a long way to go. So let's discuss it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, we got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and you're going to be earning 5% on your cash balances. Don't have to buy a single share of anything, and you're still getting that 5%. If you guys want cryptocurrency exclusive exchanges, where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you get KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders, so the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, if you're holding on those exchanges, it is going to be considered a loan to those exchanges. So if you want to mitigate that risk and make it your asset, you need to look at a cold storage or DeFi wallet. Guys, Bitcoin up 1.5% today. Shiba Inu Coin down 0.5% today. And it's not good to see Bitcoin detaching itself and performing better, but that's what we've basically been seeing throughout 2023. Bitcoin has been hitting higher lows and higher highs throughout 2023, but we're not seeing the same in terms of altcoins hitting higher lows and higher highs. And I believe that has a lot to do with the Bitcoin ETF being approved and much more attention flowing into Bitcoin as opposed to things like Shiba Inu Coin. Now, just briefly, before we get into what's going on in New York here with the Attorney General suing these crypto firms for over $1 billion in civil damages, I want to point out that Shiba Inu Coin could be in recovery mode with a 23% jump in volume according to some of the articles that are being written out there. Now, I don't necessarily think that increases in volume will always lead to increases in price. Clearly, you can have a sell-off where more and more people are selling because of bad news. That's going to increase the volume, but it's going to decrease the price. But with that in mind, every time we see Shiba Inu Coin fall below this 700 point per coin mark, this crucial level of support, whales jump in. And we see an increase in, and they call it large transactions. That's the amount of people, or the people that are willing to buy an amount of Shiba Inu Coin in excess of $100,000 per transaction. And therefore, we see an increase in volume. So knowing that we do have a very strong level of support at the levels we're currently trading at, it does lend you to believe that we may be gearing up for a bottom to be in for Shiba Inu Coin, unless, of course, some catastrophic news comes our way, dumps the price of Bitcoin, and therefore we see the price of Shiba Inu Coin fall as well. Now, the major concern that I have with that is that if you go back to the beginning of 2023, when Shiba Inu Coin was trading around these levels, 500, 600 points per coin, bottoming out down there, and Bitcoin was trading at $15,000 per coin, bottoming out down there, what are we noticing? Shiba Inu Coin is at the current levels that it is. It's at those same levels, but Bitcoin is nearly double in price, all the way back up to $28,000, $29,000 per coin. What happens if Bitcoin falls back down to those 2022, 2023 lows there? Is Shiba Inu Coin going to get cut in half? If Bitcoin loses 50% to double test that bottom, is Shiba Inu Coin going to lose another 50% and we're going to be trading at 200, 300 points per coin? I mean, I hope the answer is no, but these are things that you need to think about because Bitcoin does have such a strong gravitational force on the overall crypto market. Now, knowing that and knowing that we're at these crucial levels of support, I'm not going to take this as major news in the crypto market. We've seen the Attorney General trying to make a name for herself in New York. It was a couple months ago, suing Ethereum. It was a legitimate lawsuit against Ethereum, claiming that it was a security. And you know why you haven't heard anything about that? Because it's nonsense. It's the only lawsuit brought up directly against Ethereum, and there's no news surrounding it because it's baseless. And these claims aren't necessarily baseless here, but what we've got going on is New York sues crypto firms for an alleged $1 billion in fraud, citing Sam Bankman-Fried's hedge fund bet. Crypto firms DCG and Gemini allegedly defrauded investors out of a collective $1.1 billion, the New York prosecutors allege. The firm had significant exposure to defunct crypto trading desks Three Arrows Capital and Sam Bankman-Fried's Alameda Research, per the filing. DCG is run by Barry Silbert, and Gemini is co-founded by the Cameron and Tyler Winklevoss, the Winklevoss twins. It says that crypto firms Digital Currency Group, or DCG, and Gemini defrauded more than 230,000 investors out of a collective $1.1 billion, New York State prosecutors said in a lawsuit filed in Manhattan on Thursday. They cited a series of missteps, including the failure to adequately manage the risk associated with exposure to Sam Bankman-Fried's bankrupt and allegedly fraudulent crypto trading firm. Now, I'm not going to read through this entire article here, but Gemini basically responding saying that we were the ones that were defrauded. We were the ones that believed in Three Arrows Capital. They were the ones that were defrauded, and you can't blame the victim for the crime in this situation. You've got to go after the ones who were actually doing the fraud there. And that would be Three Arrows Capital, potentially Alameda Research, Sam Bankman-Fried, and so on. So I don't know if this court case is going to gain any traction or not. But what it does show me is that, no, the Attorney General is not looking out for the investors. No, it doesn't matter. Retail investors' accounts do not matter to these people. Why? Why can I say that with such confidence? Just look at, if they do end up winning this lawsuit, look at how much is returned to retail investors. Do you think it'll be the full $1.1 billion? Absolutely not. It'll probably be 30%. They'll probably walk away with $300 million on that $1.1 billion, and the lawyers will get the rest. It has nothing to do with making retail whole and making sure investments are safe. It has everything to do with the smell of $1 billion in the air, and these guys are going after it, whether or not it makes sense. So guys, the cryptocurrency space is not out of the woods yet. We are not in the clear. And until we really are, I don't know if we're going to see Shiba Inu Coin and Bitcoin and all of these other coins prosper, but I do have hope. I have hope for that prosperity, I have hope for that growth, and I have hope that market cycles will continue on, that this bear market will end, and the bull run will continue. I want to know what you guys think down in the comments below, and if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got ClayBro 883 everywhere. You're getting 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, you got KuCoin and Binance, free Discord, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Let's get started.